Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat snap glitch error. A Snapchat glitch might occur when you have too much cache stored in your device or when your Snapchat is not up to date. So we are going to start with cleaning up our cache. Open your settings app and then tap on apps. If you look at the top right corner of your screen, you can see a search icon. Tap on the search icon and type Snapchat. When you find Snapchat, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. When you do this, your Snapchat might be working fine. However, if you still encounter some errors, you might want to update your app. So head to the Google Play Store and then on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a search icon. Tap on the search icon. After that, tap on the top of your screen and type Snapchat. Here you can see there is an update available. So tap on the update. When you tap here, the update will begin automatically. It will take certain time to finish the update and installation. When the update is finished, you can either tap it open directly from here or you can also find it in your app drawer. Following these steps will definitely fix Snapchat glitch error. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.